Today, I'll show you how to present slides using LibreOffice, a free and open source office suite that offers a powerful alternative to other office software. Whether you're preparing for a class presentation, a work meeting, or just sharing your creative ideas, knowing how to effectively present your slides is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official LibreOffice website. It's available for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you have it installed, open the application. You'll see a variety of options for different types of documents, but for today, we're focusing on presentations. Next, click on Impress Presentation. Impress is the component of LibreOffice that's specifically designed for creating and presenting slideshows. It's similar to Microsoft PowerPoint and has many of the same functionalities, making it a great tool for both beginners and experienced users. Now that you're in LibreOffice Impress, it's time to prepare your presentation. If you've already created your slides, simply open your existing presentation file. If not, you can start a new one by choosing a template or a blank presentation. Take some time to arrange your slides, add any necessary text, images, or graphics, and ensure that everything is in order for your presentation. When you're ready to present, look towards the top of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with various options. Click on Slideshow. This menu provides several choices for how you want to run your presentation. It's designed to help you control the flow and timing of your slides, giving you a seamless presentation experience. Within the slideshow menu, you'll notice two primary options for starting your presentation: start from first slide and start from current slide. If you want to begin from the very beginning of your presentation, click Start from First Slide. This is ideal if you're presenting to an audience for the first time or if you want to ensure you cover all your material. Alternatively, if you need to jump to a specific point in your presentation, choose Start from Current Slide. This is particularly useful if you're revisiting a previous presentation or if you need to address a specific slide immediately. It allows you to skip the slides you've already covered and dive right into the section that needs attention. And there you have it. You're now ready to present your slides using LibreOffice Impress. Remember to practice your presentation beforehand to ensure smooth delivery and familiarize yourself with the navigation controls as they'll help you move seamlessly between slides during your actual presentation. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to present slides in LibreOffice, equipping you with the skills to deliver professional and engaging presentations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take the time to explore the various features LibreOffice offers to enhance your presentations even further. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.